Alright, so here's another car to the woods, guys. This one's going to the scrap yard. It was good for some parts. It was pretty crusty. I hate to cut them up, but even like the hood hinges here weren't even, you know, good on this thing. The gas tank, you can see, is rotted right through. It was a 67 Beetle. I salvaged what I could off of it. We got a transmission out of it. Hopefully it's going to need a rebuild. We got a beam out of it, which ball joint beams are getting hard to get. We got switches and sensors. As we know, 67 is 1 year only. It's good for a 67 owner. So you can see how toasted this car is, you know. I hate to say it, but I'm the last guy to want to cut them up. There's some valuable parts here still. We'll save this center piece here. This is a 67 only thing with the dual brake master cylinder reservoir. They don't make stuff like that. So I'll save as much metal as I can. I promise, you know, the mechanisms and stuff out of these doors. These are perfect doors to rob the mechanisms out of because the doors are completely wasted. But this is what we're talking about. I mean, fix something like this is just plain foolish. And if you've got a car at home that's this rough, you're never going to come out of it right. They don't make a lot of good parts for these cars. You know, certain parts, some parts are good, some parts are rough. You got this car behind it over there. This is, you know, what they start out as. So, you know, they get rough. But this is the stuff we fix here. So, that's what we got here, vintage VW. So we're gonna keep on trucking and get the next one. So until next time, we'll talk to you guys later.